Davis, can you smile for me? Can you smile for me? Huh? Talk to me. Talk to me.
My ABCs.
Davis, can you... Mitchell. Hey, Mitchell. What you doing, buddy? How long you gonna stay happy in the bouncy seat? About 5 minutes.
Where, oh, where can he?
What? Yeah.
What's that? Oh, who's that baby in the mirror?
That's funny.
It's Mitchell.
Huh?
Oh, who's that baby in the mirror? It's Mitchell. Oh, who's that baby in the mirror? Woo.
You're up for bath time. You ready for your bath? You ready for your bath?
Oh,
Huh?
he's naked.
Can you touch your toes? Can you touch both toes at the same time? Mitchell, can you talk to us? Yeah, yeah, talk to us. Can you talk to us?
Really silly. Maybe you could try a new way to play. I already have.
Boo.
Music brings us together. I just know we can find a way to.
Davis, can you talk? Can you talk to us, Davis? Say hey.
That's too bad, Shiny. You had an important part to play.
Jump! Jump!
Mitchell, are you jumping?
Jump!
You jumping?
Jump!
Mitchell, are you jumping?
Where you going? Say hit it! Jump! Jump!
Yeah, you jumping? You jumping?
Say yay! Jump!
Davis,
Hey. Let's do it this way. Can we do it this way? Hey, Davis. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Nelson.
Davis, you watching TV?
What are you doing? Say, hey, Daddy. I'm a big boy.
Mitchell, can you jump? Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Hey, Davis. It's like we've got about 1 minute of battery left, so we better.
No, we need to charge it then. It's a good thing.
Can you talk to us this Christmas morning, Davis?
Move the froggy.
Huh? Hey, boys. Can y'all say Merry Christmas? Mitchell, Davis, what y'all doing? Davis, you gonna help open presents?
Still gonna be fucked up. I have to wait for the camera to get warmed up.